I'm going to install this pivoting style camera into the tailgate handle of this truck. I've done this before on my other cars. I like this style because you can point it down when you're backing up to a trailer or towing, and then for daily driving you can put it in a normal position for the rear view camera. I'm going to drill a hole in here, and then I'm going to line it up and see how much I have to chew up out of the metal of the tailgate to make it fit, and we'll start from there. Think I'm going to break it? You think it's going to work?
I think it's going to work.
Think it's going to work?
It's working! It's working! It worked! Guys, it's doing it! You did it!
It's pretty good.
Can I hold and see it?
That let me shave off enough that this metal wasn't interfering with the hole. This is just a shot of the camera installed, and it's wired through the tailgate going into the bed of the truck. I have the negative side of the power cable tapped into the negative wire on the taillight, and I have the positive end of the wire ran alongside the video cable into the cab of the truck, and I have it connected to this fuse wire tap that comes on when the key is switched on. So the camera is powered constantly when the accessory is on. So only when the car is running or the key is turned in the ignition. And then up above it, the second red wire is the reverse trigger wire for the head unit. So that's what makes the screen on the head unit switch to the camera view when I put the car in reverse. So when you put the car in reverse, the camera comes on like normal. And then also, since the camera has constant power from that fuse tap I did, I can turn the camera on at any time without the car being in reverse. Typically you would wire the camera straight to the reverse lights so that it comes on only when it's put in reverse, but I wanted the ability to view it at all times, so I wired it to constant power.